This is what I have to deal with on Saturday.
Nicholas McGallis, TMZ, why are you so adorable? Sir, we just want to know.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Hey, can I have one kiss? Please, please. No! You know how bad you smell right now?
Who likes to sleep? Who likes to be lazy? Who likes to get fat?
Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry.
Give me that.
Go Marley! Go! Go! Go Marley! Go Marley!
Hands up. Bang! Good girl.
Hey man.
Hey, man!
Dude, man,
I'm so excited to see you,
As long as I get my suit and tie, I'ma leave it up on the floor tonight. And it got fixed up too.
Oh my. Say hi to me! Oh! He's getting high!
I believe I can fly. I believe I can.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here.
Hey, that dog.
It's magic, you know.
Oh, Bubby. Oh, Bubba. Not you!
Yo, what is that? That don't taste like an apple. What, are you filming me?
Dogs would do anything for a treat.
Bang, bang. Now do my math homework.
Oh! Oh! Shit.
Jackman! Gosh, there you are!
Stop!
I can't reach the remote. Thank
Come on! ¿Dónde vas, Pipa?
You wanna get it? Wanna get it? Go get it! Go get it!
Oh look, Wizard of Oz is on.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
She's not real.